Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's video, we are going to install SMS Lab Android based SMS Gateway server in which you can send unlimited SMS for free just by using your mobile phone network SIMs. So let's start the video. I am in my virtual min panel that I created in my previous video for free, and I am using this for free, and it is also free. You can also get one through watching my video how to get Oracle cloud free server and create it and install Ubuntu, set up Ubuntu, and install the virtual min in it. Also, you can check it out my server specifications, that 24 GB of RAM and 4 core CPU and 200 GB storage I get in free. So let's start the our today's videos. I'm going to use this subdomain, so I selected it and go to file manager, and I installed an infix school system, so I'm going to delete this one and delete all, or I just untick these two zip files and delete all. Okay, now tick all again and untick these and delete all. Now upload the script that you will also get from the description. So the today's script is SMS Lab, so I already have in it my scripts folder. So here's the PHP script version 2.1. I zip this file, copy this, and you can also drag and drop here, but I am using this method. Like here, copy and paste the URL here and click upload. Now it will just take few minutes or few seconds depending on your internet speed. It will upload the script and then we will go further. Until it's uploading, you can create a database. So I'm going to create a database. I already have the one, so I'm going to delete all the data from it, like this school too. I will delete all the tables in it. So okay, it's uploaded. Now right click here, extract this file. Yes, overwrite. Now open this folder and select all this file and cut from here to the public HTML, paste. Okay, now this setup is done. Now if you go to there, and it will open the installation page where you will install the application. So terms of use, please read these. So I agree, and next step. I have to go to my PHP my admin, write the username and password and click login, and here you can check it out, school 2 database. So I'm going to delete all these, drop all these tables, drop, and untick this one Yes. Okay, now it's showing us PHP version 8.3 is required. Your current PHP version is 8.4. So let's change the PHP version also. Here, go to here, PHP options. It will be different because I'm using virtual main panel. Maybe you are on hostinger or another hosting panel, like cPanel or Namecheap panel or other. So please be please follow my steps. Locations are different and names are different. Like here in virtual min I have the option here to change the PHP version. You can also consult with your hosting provider, so they will help you to change it. Okay, now it is easy in virtual min for me because I am used to it. So it's now changing. Okay, now it's changed the PHP version. Now go back. Now here, close this one and scroll to, click scroll to again. If any remain tables here, 51 tables remain here, check all again and drop them again, and tick this one and click yes. Now go to here, file manager. There's an issue of storage, so we need to set up the storage. Now here you will check it out, the 8.4 version issue will be fixed. Refresh this and now here these issues only, permission issues. So now close this one and the main is core, so I'm going to just do this one time like this, exactly this one, and go to here, change permissions and 075 okay. So 775 all and click change. Now I think it will be solved. Okay, now requirements check passed and click next. Now it will show you the some other thing, like they will ask you to enter the purchase code and verify the purchase code. Why they did not ask to me? Because I am just testing the script, so that's why. If you want to this script for testing purpose, I can also provide you. You can contact me on WhatsApp for this script. So okay, I'm using the existing one, uh, school 2 database host is my localhost, database user is this one, and here we will put the database password and username. Admin credentials, you will put any admin username, password and your email, like this email. Now these things are confidential, so I'm just pausing the video here right now. Just after clicking the next button, it will ask, say you this one, so valid license and this thing. So go to a website and activate. So it is also saying us please delete the install folder from the server, so delete this install folder, this one, just by clicking delete. Okay, now go to website and activate. So here you can check it out. It's showing us the admin login page. We have successfully installed the SMS lab in our server. So just now login, put your username and password and click login. Now here you can check it out, it's loading the dashboard. It's an easy to use application. Now it's asking us to set up the cron job. I already did for the previous one, and wait, I show you. You can check it out. I already last cron run is 41 minutes ago. It says running the cron job already, so I did not set up it, uh, setting up this one. So you can set up it easily in your hostinger account or your in your hosting panel, cpanel cron job. You can watch any video on YouTube. There is a lots of video on it. Okay, you can also run it manually here. Okay, so I'm just going to run it manually here. Also I can run this one manually. Cron executed successfully. Total send SMS is 1, total received SMS and total SMS delivered SMS 1. Okay, so total devices. So I'm going to show you how to set up the basics. So go here and system settings, general settings. Here you can change the names and batch prefix, pusher app ID, pusher app key, pusher app cluster, app secret, how much record you wanted. This pusher app ID and key will be already filled. You will need to create your pusher account and enter your credentials here. Okay, and now go to again system logo and favicon. You can change this logo and favicon here. Notification settings, extensions, and cron job settings. Now let me show you the notification settings. Okay, so email notification. This is a system generated email. This is an email global template, email template, email settings. You can use SMTP, send grid mail, mailjet API, notification templates. You can create notification templates here. So in virtual menu now, Oracle Cloud does not allow us sending or receiving the emails. So I'm using an external SMTP gateway zuhu mail.com. So SMTP from zuhu, so it's an easy for me. You can also do this. How you can use this one in practical? So let me show you. Just these two settings remaining, that we explore these one, and then I will show you how you can use in your practical life. Custom captcha you can enable this, and Google reCAPTCHA you can enable this one also. The last one setting, cron job settings. Okay, you can add more cron jobs here, cron schedule here, and this one is running, this one also running. Okay, so now go to manage devices. You can add your device here just by clicking here, and download the SMS APK file from here. Right click here, copy link address, and paste it in your mobile device browser. So it will download an APK file. Then open that APK file and allow all the permission and scan this QR code from the APK. This is the just rest, and your device will be show up here. Like in my one, that one is working. Let me show you manage devices. Here you can check it out, my device 1 and my device 2. The one device is connected and other one is disconnected right now. So device ID and model and name and Android version and app version it's showing us. So manage SMS history, you can check it out. Okay, these SMS sent. Here you can check it out, read the SMS that we also received on our devices. So like this is one is from ZTE Blade A54, ZTE Blade Jazz 2 SIM. This is one SIM 1, this is SIM 2 Infinix, and you can filter all the devices, send SMS here. You can also send SMS here. How you can send? Select the device, select SIM, schedule now or send now, you can add the numbers separate by commas, or you can add the number from the list, and you can add from group. You can upload the CSV, Excel file or TXT file. You can download the sample files by clicking these CSV, Excel and TXT file, and you can also select the template and write here the SMS and click submit. After clicking the submit button, it will start sending the SMS. You can also schedule them, like here, add schedule, date, and here time. Here you can adjust the time. Okay, so SMS history, you can check the SMS sendis. Manage template, you can create templates. Manage group, you can manage groups. Manage contact, you can add a group, add contacts. Here import and export the list. So just this is the Android SMS gateway server. So in next video I will guide you how to use these as an custom gateway in your other applications. Like here, developer tools, you get an API key. You can use post and get. So I'm mostly we use post because it is it has more options than get. So here you can it has few options. Okay, so in the next video we will talk about how to use these as a custom gateway in your applications. So this is today's video in which I guide you how to install SMS Lab Android SMS Gateway Server in your Hostinger account or in your hosting. You can install it easily. You can also install it in your local host easily. If you face any issue, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. That is, if you are from Pakistan, you just know this is Pakistani number. I'm from also Pakistan. So if you are from other country, you will type like this one. Okay, so thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel for next video, and share the video with your friends and families. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.